Gas. Sup, Holmes? You see, when the other gurus turn bearish, this guy, who's the best, gets bullish. Goldman Sachs tells you to get into the market. This guy gets out of the market. Goldman Sachs says, now's the time to be afraid. I get into the market. You see how it works? I'm the best. There is nobody else. Hi, my name's Kenny Glick. Are you losing money in the market this year? Well, you're an idiot. So, if you've been listening to Goldman Sachs, it is the easiest way to make money. But wait, there's more. There's a guy who has a show on television for the last 12 years who's a complete fucking hack. His name is Jim Cramer. He's a cheerleader for the bull market. Bull markets make everybody seem really, really smart because they could just say, hey, I think this stock's going up, and then it does. Has nothing to do with what they know. The market's making them seem smart. That's why this guy hates bull markets. This market, this is my market, where we go up and down and back up and then up and down, and then we crash and then we recover and then we crash again. My market, where skill comes in. But also matched with the skill is the combination of knowing that the sheeps are being led to the slaughter by Jim Cramer, CNBC, and Goldman Sachs. Right? What's up, Derek? The sheep are being led to the slaughter because you think that everything on TV should be held to a higher standard where they're just trying to help you. Sorry, they're trying to hurt you, as is all financial media. They're all just a bunch of cheerleading, know-nothing sheep. And sheeps get led to the slaughter. And they're trying to lead you to the slaughter to cushion the blow of their annihilation. They're telling you to buy because they want to sell. They're telling you to sell because they want to buy. And that's why Roblox, great trade so far since Josh Brown got out of it. The stock's up nearly 50%. RBLX, it is up 50% since the dude told you to sell it. The stock was $24. It's at $36. Is that 24%? I don't know how many percentage, whatever the fuck it is. Who doesn't matter? Stock is up every day since he sold it. It's not a coincidence. They stink. The ineptitude of the financial media is something to be cherished because you can trade against it. Diamond hand morons telling you that they're not selling, you sell it to them and you short it to their mothers and you crush them and take their money. And then when they're trying to figure out what to do with the rest of their lives, great. They could come work for us now. But anyway, more importantly, if there was something more important than crushing diamond-handed morons, today is one of the greatest trading days in the history of mankind. You know why? Because the bearishness, remember, Greg Mannarino finally giving up on the market again, time to buy. It's hacks like that don't know what they're doing, that are buying into the bull market and thinking they know what they're doing. Somebody who was completely bearish finally buys into the market. Now it's time to get out. Then they go bearish. Now it's time to get back in. You get it now? It really is that easy. Most people don't know what they're doing, and 98% of people on YouTube are those people. I'm the 2%. Why did I start making videos again? To make sure everybody knew I wasn't a bull market cheerleading scumbag. And I've been saying I'm bearish for over a year now. And then what did I do last week? I said, now's the time to buy. What did I tell you yesterday? QQQ breaks the reaction high from the Fed day. You're going up 7 to 8 to maybe 14 points. The day's not over. That's right. When I met her, she liked my shirt. I was going to get her to sign my shirt, but I didn't want to ruin the shirt. But I did buy this that day. Migo Uhura. I got one of everything. You know what I didn't have in my house today? A pirate hat. I thought I had a pirate in the hat. Somebody said something about Oh, he misspoke. He said there's a pirate shortage when he meant to say pilot shortage. I was like, pirate shortage? Yarv! Sign me up. I heard there's a pirate shortage somewhere. Let's go. But seriously, when you're making money on Revlon and BlackBerry and FedEx was a good one today. But Revlon, BlackBerry, seriously? Who cares? It broke 541. I'm in. Stock goes up 30 cents. $5 calls were 9 cents. Sold them at 20. Why not? I had something else I wanted to talk about. Oh, yeah. What was it? I don't even know. I completely forgot what I did. Silver? Yeah, silver's going to the moon, right? Silver's going to the moon. I always have this coin on me. What did I buy lately? You saw my Joe. So if anybody, I'm in the market. I want a 1971 Joe Namath. You don't have to get it graded. If you guys ever want to buy me a present, I'm in the market for a 71 Namath. I'm gonna wait it out. I'm bidding in for a 71 Namath, year of my birth. What else am I buying? I'm buying what else did I buy? I bought something recently. I don't even know what the hell I'm buying. Something Joe Namath, I don't know. But what I really want, if anybody has a locate for this, if you guys are out there, I want a Grateful Dead King Kong MSG poster. 96 Chad Pennington. I've got one in my house somewhere. But yeah, so listen. Is this a bull market or a bear market? It's a I don't give a shit market, right? Who cares? Who cares if it's a bull market or a bear market? The bottom line is once they started calling it a bear market, once everybody started screaming recession, what happened to the market? We've been going up, right? It's not a coincidence, my friends. It's not a coincidence. Okay? And by the way, if BlackBerry is over $6 today, I'm rich. If this thing goes over 6 today, oh my God. 572 was my dream come true. Here we are. Ow, what are you doing? But I just wanted to say have a great weekend. If you haven't come to my website yet, what are you doing with your life? Come on. Hurry. Today would have been that day. I would have given you 3 trades. You would have made $5,000, and then you would have given me 2,500 of it, and you could have stayed for the next 9 months or whatever. It was that kind of day. I'll give you my free pick. You ready? You ready for it? I don't even want to say it out loud. You go take a look at that chart. Hey, what's up? You take a look at that chart, and you'll see why you want to own it. All right? Take a look at that chart. It's got the biggest ass crack I've seen in about 3 years. I don't know what they do. Don't really care. This stock gets over $12.50. It's going to $18. I'm in. That's one of my wives. I've got 6 wives. But there was something else. I can't believe I came on to do something specific, and I completely don't remember what it was. I got to stop smoking. Well, I'm going to tell you about my lotto play for today. I think we could go parabolic into the close on the Qs, especially after 7 hours of consolidation. We have been trapped in a range since 10:35, and we still over the VWAP. This market is telling me it wants to go higher, and if we break out into the close, we might close at 295. I'm not going crazy 295. I'm going right here. I got the 292s. You know, I'm down money on them now. I paid 80. but that's okay because I only started with 2 contracts. When the 292s get down to like 50 cents, I'm going to buy 2 more. And then if they go under 50, I'm buying 6 more. And then I'm going to buy 10 more. Hopefully I can get them around 40 cents. I don't mind that I paid 80 for a couple so far. I think we go screaming into the close. 292s, anything under 50 cents, I'm in. I bought 2 early just to have them. Again, this is just a goof trade at this point. Why'd I trade Bullet? Well, I saw the capitulation on the Qs. And Gregory Mannarino, if you know who this guy is, he's one of the best contrarian indicators. There's the king of contrary indicators. It's really Jim Cramer. Cramer 7 days ago reiterated, don't touch tech, which is the QQQ. Don't touch tech, right? Don't touch tech. You want to be only trading oil and energy. What happened? Oil and energy crash. Tech takes off. Thank you, Kramer. You're the best. You're the best. And that's it. I saw a capitulation on the 270 on last Thursday. And really, it's kind of me too, because I didn't hold on to them. And then we broke over some real significant levels. 278 was a significant level, 282.50, 284.85. And today was the level I was waiting for to close the gap. We still have some gaps to be filled. And that's why I'm telling you, peeps, I don't know if I'm crazy enough to hold QQQ long over the weekend, but I'm thinking about it because I'm only going to have options anyway. Because let me tell you, if we gap on Monday and we go, the dreaded gap and go, we have a gap to be filled. And I'm talking about 299.23. I'm talking 7 more points. You don't think we could tack on 7 more points on the Qs? Of course we can. There's a gap on the 6/9/22 candle. Am I speaking gibberish to you right now? Look at the bottom of the candle on June 9th. That's where the Qs want to be. They want to be at that price. They want to be 290, 292, 299 and a quarter, I'm trying to say. That's 7 points from here. I'm in. I want my 7 points. So I think because I'm usually when I'm this bullish and I don't want to hold an overnight, that's when you want to hold the overnight. Because the last thing I need to see is a gap up of 5 points on the Qs, which is going to be 80% of the trade on Monday. So to me, it's worth it. Absolutely. When Greg says he's gone bullish again, we get the hell out of the market and we go short. It really is that easy. It really is that easy. And if you think I'm joking around, it really is that easy. Hey, what up, Biddy man? It really is that easy. Going against Kramer has been working for 20 years. Ever since the first, right, makes 0 sense for a Monday gap up. Exactly. Exactamundo. That's why you want to be in it. Now you're talking my language. Makes 0 sense. Do it. Do it. And look, I'm only doing it if we run into the close and I'm profitable. So if we rally and we close above 293.50, then I stay in. Okay, and suddenly win Revlon. Look at that. It's my man. My freaking man. Just like that. We're kicking ass. Holy shiza. My man. How did you get that? You're the greatest trader on earth. I gotta go. I got 48,000 shares of Revlon now. Uh-oh. Sold to you. 848, sold to you. And to you. Sold to you. 843, sold to you. 847, sold to you. 846, sold to you. 843, sold to you. 845, sold to you. All right, now I'll hold just in case it breaks 850. Woo! That was fun. Oh, man. And then if you have Revlon for the last 7 or 8 days, who gives a shit about the stock market? It's only a $4 stock ripping in 200% increments. What the hell do we need anything else? Who cares? Wow. That was a gift from nowhere. Was sitting around waiting for the stock to do something. It just did something. Damn. Sold to you. 820, 823, stop on the rest, Holmes. Look at that. Damn. Make 0 sense? Since when does anything need to make sense? The only sense you need to know right now is my bears, my brethren, bearish people are getting their asses kicked. And usually they get their asses kicked for 3 to 5 days until they realize how stupid they are for staying short. And this is only day 3, right? Of their ass kicking, really. We just kind of made the pivot. Yeah, no, this is day 3 of their basically getting their asses kicked. I say we do gap up. Yep, I do say we do. I say we get a gap. I want my $2. I want my $2.99. I want my 7 points. It all starts on how today closes. All right. I got a boogie. So anybody in Jersey, Black Crows, Thursday, Asbury, come and hang out. Friday, we're up in upstate New York, Dead and Company, Bethel, come and hang out. Then we're going to see anybody get tickets to Muse at the Beacon? Whoa. They're already going for like $600 a ticket. Muse playing the Beacon. Vegas next year, February 23rd, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. Don't short Revlon. Don't play games with that stock. I'm telling you. You might be right. I'm telling you, don't short it. You can't get a short off on this anyway. If anything, you want to gamble, $8 put into the close. You want to gamble, at least limit your risk. What's an $8 put going into the close? Oh, they don't have weeklies yet. Next week, Revlon has weeklies. So could be getting exciting. All right, let's rally this bitch into the close and rip their freaking heads off. And listen, I've been a victim to the short squeeze on the QQQ. Nobody lost more money shorting the Qs than me. I wrote a song about it. Nobody's lost more money shorting the Qs than me. That doesn't happen to me anymore. Everything I've learned from getting my ass destroyed, I see it clearly now. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. Speaking of that, it is gorgeous out. I got to go out and get some rays. I'll see you Monday. Hopefully, we look at the Qs at 302 on Monday. All right? Rock and roll, guys. Be careful out there. Say hi to Gregory Mannarino for me. Later, boys and girls.